Hi, I'm Kathy Hirko with KAZ Company. We're an independent insurance agency focused on Medicare plans. We're here to calm your fears and answer your questions, and we can do it at no cost, no obligation. Hi, I'm here today with my team member, Ann Talip. And Ann, somebody is turning 65. They're still working. They're on the employer plan. They're not collecting Social Security, and they're calling us going, do I need to do anything because I'm not going to go on Medicare and I have an employer coverage, but I'm turning 65. What do I need to do?
There's nothing you really need to do except make sure that your employer has credible insurance in the eyes of Medicare.
Good point. What does that mean? That means that their Part D prescription drug coverage that they have through the employer
Yes.
is credible in the eyes of Medicare. And how would they find that out?
They would need to go to their Human Resources Department, get information on their insurance coverage, and have them verify that it is indeed credible coverage.
And that's a good point, is they do need to go to their employer. We cannot do that for them.
Correct.
Because we have had people call us and say, can you tell me this is credible?
That is true. We do not have access to your insurance plans, so you need to go back to them first. And then if you can get a copy, bring that to us, and we can work with that when we're
when they're deciding that it is time to go on that. Correct. And I know this is all confusing to people, which is why we can help them, because a lot of times people get confused and they do panic. And we can help you to understand all of this because it is a little bit complicated. Give us a call at 216-901-9300 or go to MedicarePlansNEO.com. There is no cost and there is no obligation.